Jai Shraddha, welcome my channel Maths Rocks for you. Today in complex number we find real and imaginary part of this number. How to? Now we separate these two. Okay. Now take z1 is equal to -1 minus I and z2 is equal to -1 plus I. Okay. Now this term convert into polar form. Now x is equal to -1, y is equal to -1. That means both negative. Both negative means which quadrant? Look at here. Everybody know about the 0, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, sorry, pi, 3 pi. Okay. Minus third quadrant. Third quadrant. Minus means third quadrant. Third quadrant means theta is equal to pi plus. Third quadrant means pi plus. Second quadrant means pi minus. First quadrant means theta is equal to tan inverse y by x, and fourth quadrant means theta is equal to minus tan inverse y by x. Both negative. X negative, y negative. That's why I write here theta is equal to pi plus theta is equal to third quadrant means pi plus tan inverse modulus y by x. Pi plus tan inverse modulus y by x. એટલે one value क्या આવે? Tan ની one value क्या આવે? Tan pi by 4. That's why you write here pi by 4. When we take LCM, you get 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5 pi by 4. Okay, theta. Now what is R? R is equal to root x square plus y square minus 1 square 1 minus 1 square 1 means root 2. Okay, now you write z1 is equal to r e raised to I theta. Theta means 5 pi by 4. Okay, you can also write cos theta plus I sin theta. Both are same because we know e raised to I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, now another one, z2 is equal to x is equal to -1, y is equal to positive. X negative, y positive. X negative means y positive means second quadrant. Second quadrant means pi minus. Theta is equal to pi minus tan inverse y by x. Okay, pi minus pi by 4. When we take LCM, 4 minus 1, 3 pi by 4. Theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. And R means modulus z, x square plus y square, you get this. Z2 is equal to, you get root 2 e raised to I 3 pi by 4. Okay. Now substitute this value. Therefore, our equation becomes root 2 e raised to I 5 pi by 4 whole raised to 7 plus root 2 e raised to I 3 pi by 4 whole raised to 7. Okay. Now what's common both sides? Root 2 common. Root 2 in the power 7. That's why you write root 2 raised to 7. And you write here e raised to I. 7 5 ja 35 pi by 4 plus e raised to I. 7 3 ja 21 pi by 4. Okay. Now you find out this value. e raised to I 35 pi by 4. E raised to I, look at here, I write here, suppose e raised to I 35 pi by 4. Okay, look at here, 35 pi by 4. હવે 4 વડે ડિવાઇડ થાય તેવી ન્યુમેરેટરમાં નિયરબાય વેલ્યુ કઈ છે? Which value nearby we divide easily this 4? You select 36. 36 pi by 4. But here we are given 1. The 1 minus pi by 4. 36 minus 1 means 35 pi by 4. Okay. Now 4 9 जा 9 pi minus pi by 4. तो जो 9 pi 9 pi कई जगह which portion? 0 pi 2 pi 4 pi 5 pi 6 pi 7 pi 9 pi by 4. એટલે odd number here, even number 9 pi એટલે આ પોર્શન માં એટલે સમજી લો 1 pi અહીંયા 1 pi 2 pi 3 pi 4 pi 6 pi 7 pi 9 pi 9 pi minus pi by 4. માઇનસ એટલે રિવર્સ જવાનું, પ્લસ એટલે આગળ વધવાનું. 9 pi minus pi by 4. Minus means second quadrant. હવે જો આ પોર્શન માં આવે ને આ લાઈન માં this x axis માં sin હશે, cos હશે, tan હશે. સમજ પડી? ઓકે. હવે જો e raised to 9 pi minus pi by 4. I write here e raised to I theta. E raised to I theta એટલે you write cos 9 pi minus pi by 4 plus I sin 9 pi minus pi by 4. Okay, e raised to I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. 9 pi minus pi by 4. 9 pi this portion minus all s t c. આમાં sin ને cosec positive. તો ये तो cos છે, cos नेगेटिव sin पॉजिटिव. હવે જો આ લાઈન માં આવે ને x axis માં જે હોય ને તો function may not change when line x axis 9 pi line x axis, that's why cos pi by 4 you easily write here, sin pi by 4 you write down same because function may not change here, but sin different. 9 pi minus pi by 4, sin positive and cos negative, that's why I write here minus. Okay, minus cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 the value 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 the value 1 by root 2. Substitute here. Root 2 raised to 7 e raised to I 35 pi by 4 you write minus 1 by root 2 plus I 1 by root 2. Same e raised to I 21 pi by 4. E raised to I 21 pi by 4. 21 4 વડે ડિવાઇડ થાય તેવી નિયરબાય વેલ્યુ 20 ની એપ્રોક્સ કઈ છે? 20 pi by 4 plus 1 pi by 4. Okay, 20 means e raised to I 5 pi plus pi by 4. Okay, 5 pi plus pi by 4, that's why you write here cos 5 pi plus pi by 4 plus I sin 5 pi plus pi by 4. 5 pi is plus third quadrant, tan positive એટલે sin and cos both negative, and this line x axis line એટલે when we multiply pi, function may not change. That's why you write cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 value, which one? Which value? Cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. Then minus this portion cancel. Root 2 means 2 raised to 1 half is to 7. Okay. I you write 2I divided by root 2. Okay. Now 2 multiply divide by root 2. 2 2 2 divide by root 2. So what we get? Root 2. Root 2 means 2 raised to 1 half. 2 raised to 7 by 2 plus 1 half into I. 7 plus 1 8. 8 by 2 means 4. 7 plus 1 LCM. 7 plus 1 8. 8 by 2 means 4. 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4I. 2 raised to 4I means 16I. That means what's real part? We may not find here real part is 0 plus 16I. That's a real part is 0 and imaginary part is 16. Okay, we easily separate. You also done this example. Like, share and subscribe.